Introducing Blanc, a full-cover face mask that protects your eyes, nose, and mouth. Thanks to advanced replaceable filters, you're breathing clean air. Midline magnets gently fix Blanc over the face. Reusable HEPA filters protect you from particles, vapors, and aerosols. Blanc adjusts to individual anatomical features of the face and head, making for a supremely comfortable fit. Blanc is 1,000 masks in one. Its front panel is changeable with any material, color, and texture, depending on the message you put out there. Choose your